Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile here, and now here you'll find accounts as you see here. Click on it, and that's it. That's how to find account settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. Here you can manage your account informations, and that's it. That's how to find account setting. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.